Hello friends, so today in this video we're going to discuss the first problem from the latest Codeforces Educational Codeforces round 109, problem name potion making. So I'll tell you problem statement in simple terms. It states that you can assume that you have a container and you have to pour some amount of some potion, okay, and some amount of water, so some magic essence and water into that bucket, okay, such that after that you will create some brew, or like you can assume that a magic potion will occur such that it has k% of magic essence and 100 minus k% of water. So like if you have some bucket, then you just assume that like you have to somehow make the percentage of so if you put some magic essence and put some water, so after that the percentage of magic essence should be k%, and obviously because it is 100%, so the rest, which is 100 minus k, is water. This should be in percentage. Okay, so now you just have to like the problem statement is telling you that in one step you can either put 1 liter of magic essence or 1 liter of water. Now in how much steps you can form this percentage? Now how you can see that percentage is formed? Percentage is formed is, let's assume that if you have in the end, let's assume that you have 20, let's assume that you will form in the end, let's just assume 100 liters of the potion. If you have 100 liters of the potion and 20 liters is k, which is like the magic essence, so how much percentage is k? You will divide 20 divided by total into percentage, which is 100%, so 20. So it means 20% is there. But what you can easily observe here is, if we just neglect this 100 just for a sake of time being, okay, this is 20 by 100. So 20 by 100 is actually giving me 20%. But if we divide this by like 10 assume, so if we just make a potion of 10 liters, as you can see 10 liters, and we have a solution or a magic essence of 2 liters in that 10 liters, then also it will give me 20%. So it means that if we divide this numerator and denominator such that it becomes the smallest non-divisible numerator and denominator, that we cannot divide it more, then that's the final smallest value, because it's like finding at the smallest fraction. Then we can also divide it by 2, so it becomes 1 by 5. Then you can easily see that 1 by 5 means that if we just add 1, so in a 5 liter solution, if there is 1 liter of magic essence, okay, and 4 liters of water, then obviously that will also give me a 20%. Instead of making 100 liters and 20 liters of magic essence in 100 liters of total solution, then you can get a 20%. Instead of that, because I want 20%, what you can easily do here is you can just put 1 liter of magic essence in 5 liters. That will also give you the same thing. So it means that if you want to make k percentage, so let's assume that you have k percentage of water or magic essence and 100 minus k percentage of like water required. So it means that if you somehow divide these numbers to the smallest number possible, then also it is very beneficial to us. I hope you get the point. So what you can do here is just take the two numbers k and 100 minus k, okay, like just assume that these are the two solution values, and then keep on dividing them, or find the greatest number which divide both of them to the fullest, that they cannot be divided more. So the simple thing is find out the GCD, because GCD is common, like greatest common divisor of both the numbers. So if we find out the GCD and divide both of these numbers by their GCD, then the final number will be the number which cannot be divided by more, which can, like, they cannot divide themselves more now. So I can tell you with example. Let's assume that you have some number which is 5 and 95. This like magic essence is 5 and like the water is 95. So what you can see in this problem is, if you take out 95 and you find out the GCD of them is 5 obviously. Now divide both of them by 5, so it will become 1, and it will become, as you can see, 1 and 9, which is 19. So now as you can see now also, if you take 1 liter of magic essence and put into 20 and 9 liters of water, then also it will give the same percentage as 5 liters of magic essence and 95 liters of water. I hope you get the point. So then the number which are formed is the smallest number, and now you will require one step to put any of the solution. You can put one step like in one step you can put 1 liter of water, or in one step you can put 1 liter of magic essence, and thus the total amount of steps you'll require is the addition of both of these values, because this number of steps is required to put the total number of magic essence, and this number of steps is required total number of water. So that's the total number of operations you'll do to make this percentage in the solution. And that's the whole solution for this problem. I can I can show you the code part. You can also look the code part in the description. So you can just take out the two numbers, which is k and 100 minus k, find out the GCD, divide both the numbers by the GCD, and the total is the summation of both the numbers. I hope you understand the logic in the code part. If you still have doubts, you can mention down. Ask the next one. Till then, keep coding and bye.